Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Pa. Pa is here from South Carolina. Pa, how old are you?
I'm 31.
31, okay. Thank you for coming all the way from South Carolina too. So tell me about your hair loss. When did you start losing your hair?
Around 22.
Okay.
Age 22.
Okay, so it's been for the last 10, 11 years is when you noticed it. And is it run in your family or anybody in your family with hair loss?
That's me, I'm the lucky one.
You're the only one, okay. And it could be from somebody that, generations ago that you may not even know. So you inherited the gene from somewhere though. And it could be dad's side or mom's side. So I guess about a little over a year ago you had a transplant at another place locally in North Carolina. Mm-hmm. And tell me about the results that you had from that. Were you happy with that? Or?
I had it a year ago. Mm-hmm. I didn't get the density that I wanted. So.
Right. So so a lot of the grafts were kind of spacey and you didn't really have the density that he wanted, and you're having to use a lot of product like hair fibers when you go out and styling your hair in different ways to create density. So today we're going to be, it's going to be a much different story. We're going to really jam pack this in. As you can see, we're going to keep we made some mild modifications to his hairline that he had, but we're going to really focus on the frontal half of his head. So we're going to probably get a little past that second line right here. So we may get back. We're just going to start from the front and work our way back. And unfortunately, Pa had a little bit of a wider scar. We're going to take out a little bit of that scar today on the sides, but we may do a scar revision in the future with that. But fortunately for him, he keeps his hair long, so it's not an issue. This will be a nice video also to see the differences between the scar he had before and then my scar. So you can really see there is a difference between surgeons and facilities. So thank you, Pa, for letting other people follow your journey, and we'll be following up with you a little later today.
I'm excited.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, Dr. Hubner, we're having a country day here at Natural Transplants, so we listen to country music. But at this point, Pa has had his treatment moved in the back. He's all sewn up, and we've made the slits, and now we're actually starting to put the grafts in the front. So I'll just kind of wait up here and kind of show everything, so you can kind of see it's coming along. A lot more work to do, but we're we're getting there. But Pa, how's your day been so far, man? Tell us about how much agony you're in, and
I'm pretty relaxed.
Nice. Any pain right now?
No, just some pressure here and there.
A little bit of pressure, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's affected, but no pain.
Fantastic. And we've been eating some snacks, as you can see. We're going to actually take a break for lunch. We got a big screen TV. We're watching some country music videos and just having some fun here. So anyway, we'll check in at the very end. And thanks again for showing everyone how easy it is. Hi, Bonnie.
Hey.
Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Pa, and Pa has just completed his procedure, procedure. Pa, how was your day today overall?
It's been great.
Yeah. Not much pain. I mean, a little bit tightness, I guess.
Discomfort, tightness, but other than that,
awesome.
tolerable.
Everyone here treated you okay? We had lunch.
Yes.
It wasn't. Did you even eat lunch?
I did.
Okay, good. Okay, so you had some human food. Good. I'm going to kind of pan up here and show everyone what we've done. So as you can see, we basically just reinforced his hairline. We made a little bit of modification to his prior hairline that the other doctor put on for his prior procedure. Mm-hmm. But you can see how jam-packed, and every one of these little dots is multiple hairs in each one of those. And you can see how that's really going to make a nice change for him. This is going to be a much better result than his prior surgery in terms of the grafts we're using and the amount of grafts and how much spacing as he had before. So, Pa, anything you would tell people that are on the fence about or worried about the pain of it or the experience itself?
I'm excited for the result, and if you ever need a hair transplant.
Well, I can't wait to see your next video, Pa, which is going to be you with hair up there, some meaningful hair up there and density. Mm-hmm. So thanks again, and we'll be keeping everyone updated on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.